Well, hello and welcome to How to Play a Violin in 1 minute and How to Play Hot Cross Buns in 1 more minute. I'm Zach Tolan, and the first thing you're going to need to do is tighten your bow. We take the screw, turn it clockwise a couple of times until you can about fit your pinky or a pencil right here in the middle of the bow. And you're going to need to put a little rosin on to make sure that it's nice and sticky. This is made from refined tree sap. That's why it's so sticky. Put a little bit on like that. The next thing we're going to do is grab the violin, put it in your left hand under your chin so that the button is about in the middle of the side of your neck, and the violin is straight. We have 4 strings. You don't need to pluck them, but they are G, D, A, and E, and we use 4 fingers. If we say 0, that means just to play the open string. If we say 1, it means put a first finger on the E string here. 2 goes right next to it. 3 and 4. And now take a look at the first line of Hot Cross Buns. It starts with a 3 on the first string, the E string. 3 with an arrow. 1 means hold it an extra beat. 2, 3, 4. And then again, 3, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. For more like this, check out my website at exactnotes.com.